In this video, you will learn how to create a Flutter button. Let's start this right now. We will replace inside the center widget, which have the child argument, we will replace the text for a button. Let's do this. First, I will write with the capital letter button. And you have multiple choice, okay? You will need to remember that for buttons, there is 3 types of button within Flutter. The text button, the outlined button, and the elevated button. Easy as this. These are the 3 main buttons with Flutter, okay? So we will use the most common, call it the elevated button, like this. That's good. Next, we need the onPress. If I go on onPress, this say it need a function. To create an empty function with nothing inside, you just use the bracket and the curly bracket, just like this. Oh, and you can see invalid constant. That means we need to remove the const before the center. That's it. And next, we need a child. If you remember, a child is only what will be inside the first widget. We have the elevated button, and then we have the child, and the child argument mean which widget, you can see right there, which widget will be inside the elevated button. So we will use a widget called, that we have already used, the text widget. I will put my bracket, I will add this, and I will put maybe click, like this, simple. Now, if you press Ctrl S, this will trigger the hot reload. Actually, yeah, it will trigger the hot reload. It will save and hot reload. So you don't need to click this every time. Just save. Now, when we click on it, nothing happened. But we have a button, and we still have the blue thing, so I will remove this by saying const. And you can see that the code is very long within the same line. This is probably because we have 2 brackets like this. I will format document. So you can see format document. You already know about this. And that's it. We have created a Flutter button. In the next video, we will learn how to trigger something inside a function. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.